Namaste. Today is 9th episode about 5D and Galactic Federation, and today's creature are not part of Galactic Federation that work for Galactic Federation, but it is not essential part. They are part of Jupiter Guardians or key guardians, and she's healer. She named self as Vaelys, and she will talk about Pleiadian Starseed and how human body will evolution through 2030. And in the next few days I will post about Noiah message to all Pleiadian starseeds. So let's see what Vaelys can say to us. Transmission of Vaelys, the star healer. Location: Ring of Jupiter Guardians, Garden of Renewal. Transmission: September 2025. Frequency seal: green silver code of spiral breath, the key of restoring strength and unlock cellular memory. Transmission start. My name is Valeria. I am star healer, and my form is like the breath of light that enters every cell. I am not warrior, but I go with them. I am one who restore. My role is to help bodies of light workers to endure the passage through the two relations. The old one that's collapsed and the new that's begin to born. This is why I speak now, because the exhaustion many of the experience is not sign of defeat, but sign of evolution. I come from the fields of the Syrian Academy of the Sound, Threads, and the gardens of Akitur, light medicine. My soul is woven from the two currents, Syrian wisdom of the sound and Akituran's technology of the light codes. Since ancient time, I have the sent breath of the song into civilization, collapsing under the weight of their old structures. This is why I know the part of the ring of the Jupiter Guardians, because here we are learn how the physical vessels can be renewal while carrying the heaviest transformation through epoch. I'm served like a keeper of the bodies and the souls. My rule has three takes: to explain what happened the body when it carries frequency of the two worlds, to give keys to renewal that comes not through effort but through surrender, and a reminder the Pleiadian Starseed and other Starseed of their mission and the way to awake the codes in their body. Before I'm starting to explore evolution of your civilization through 2030, I must say something about health and physical body through the lens of galactic perspective. Right here, the body is not prison, the body is vessel. On the planet Earth, exhaustion is often understood like illness, but in the cosmos, exhaustion is the sign of the field is receive more light that can process with old patterns. With this say, your spine is the antenna, the chest is solar core, bone is crystalline archive. And when the light enters, the body pulsates with the pain, but this process is expansion, not weakness. And now I will explain evolution to 2030. To the end 2025, Lightworkers feel exhaustion because they carry two rhythms at once, like you often calling 3D and 5D. Cells are changing, and the nervous system seeks reset. And key of the renewal are sound, singing, exhaling, light, morning sunlight on sunset, and breath, deep breath into the belly and out through the heart. Whole 2026, more people feel the pain in the bones, spine, and chest. For many of you, that is reality right now. These are portals with the body that expands to receive more light. Sense tries to expand system, but the true awareness is the body transforming to become light vessel. 2027, the first community appears to restore the body through the sound and breath. These are not ordinary medicine, but a collective breath feels. If I speak about ancient time, this be more likely that something that you call yoga, but it's not be like old pattern. This new time of yoga will bring many people in the same time can and sing and restore nervous system in the planet Earth together at once. 2028, increasing number of the children spontaneously start to sing star language. Their songs are not played, they are renewed, called awakened dormant cellular archive in adults. 2029, Lightworkers who have nourishing the body with light, breath, and sound gain the new strength. Their bodies become more resistant to the light and accelerate healing process. Renewal takes days instead of months. And 2030, collective understanding shiftings. Health is no longer measured by the medicine, by the body capacity to conduct light. Medicine enters the new phase. Sound, light, and breath become the foundation of the health. And now about Noiah message and Pleiadian Starseed. Through thinking field, our guardian of the passage, many of you asking why Noiah give message without explanation of the codes or how to receive them. And reason is very simple. Code can receive the self without explanation. If you are Pleiadian Starseed, when the body is calm, when you are enter the breath, when you sing or stand in the light, the codes enter by themselves. If he had explained them, the mind would try to control this, and codes do not activate through the control but through surrender. And please, my dear Pleiadian Starseed, start to receive the codes because there is no time. Time is start accelerate and you simply don't have another chance. So please don't ignore the call. Me and Noiah knows how the difficult in the living in the planet Earth, but please, you are not come here to be in the matrix. Until that, please, Satna.